To get your Koyeb API key, follow these steps. Log into Koyeb. Visit Koyeb and log into your account using your email and password. Access API keys. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section of your Koyeb dashboard. You can find this option in the left-hand sidebar. Generate API key. In the settings menu, look for the API key section. Click on it to manage API keys. Click on the Generate New Key button to create a new API key. Configure API key. Provide a name for the new API key. Optionally, you can set permissions by selecting which services or resources the API key can access. Save the API key. After configuring the permissions, click Generate. Your API key will be displayed securely, and you can copy it for use in your applications, scripts, or automation. Security considerations. Make sure to store the API key securely in a password manager or a secure location, as it grants access to your Koyeb account and resources. Avoid sharing the API key publicly or in unsecured environments.